Hey everyone, it's Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to replace the battery in your PlayStation 5 controller. So let's go ahead and jump to the video right now. So if you're buying a new battery offline on Amazon or eBay, make sure you get a battery that works with your controller model. So flip over the controller and look at the model number on the back here, just to verify everything will work. Now to open up your controller, it's actually really easy. Just flip it around and use a plastic tool if you can, or maybe even your fingernails to grip the bottom here, and you have to take off this face cover. And this may be a little bit difficult to get in the side here, but it should come off relatively easy once you can lift it up. Okay, so once you get one side up, go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Otherwise, take your tool and just feed it through the side right here, and it should be able to lift up. Now remove the cover, and then put this to the side. Now we have to take off the L1 and the R1 buttons, and these are relatively easy to remove as well. Now take your tool and put it in the middle of the L1 or R1 button, and just lift up just like this, and it should pop off. Do the same thing on the other side here. And this will expose 4 screws. So one here, here, then you got 2 on the bottom. So let's go ahead and just remove all those. Okay, so now that we have all 4 screws out, we want to remove the back plate. So right by the headphone jack, there's 2 little latches we want to detach. So use a tool and just create some separation in here and unlatch that. Do the same thing on this side here. And make sure they're both off. And once they're off, this should come off relatively easy. Okay. Now I see some separation. Let's go to the side here. And then do the same thing. Create some separation in here. Okay. Now let's go to the other side here and create some more separation. And the back cover should be just lifting up now. Watch out for the triggers right here, and just lift up and out over them. Boom! That has come off now relatively easily. And here's the battery. Now you can lift up on the battery and take this out. And I would be very careful when removing the battery. Now you can use like a tool to pry up and grip the plastic here, but that might strip the wires. So I'd say just be very careful and just pull up using the wires. Just like this. Do not pull very hard, and it should pop up. Just like that. Boom, it came out. Otherwise, what you could do is try to grip these little latches with your fingernails. You can kind of see it, and that should be able to pop up once you grip those. So you can kind of do that. So that is how you take out the battery. So now we have to put our new battery in. Let's slide it in to this little slot right here. Okay, so it is in, and it will only go in one way. So if it doesn't work one way, flip it around and try it the other way. So that is on there now. Now let's put the cover back on. So let's go from the side over here and just put it down. So just like this. I can already see it's lighting up, so the battery's on. You push this down, snap it in. Make sure these latches on the front here are latching. If not, make sure they're close and everything on the side is good. Now let's put all those screws in. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I got those screws in. Now let's put the R1 and the L1 buttons back in, and these will simply just pop in relatively easily. Snap on. Now take your faceplate, put it in the corners on the touchpad, and just snap it down, just like that. Make sure by the headphone jack it's pressed tight down, just like that, and it should be flush. So that's a simple way to just replace your battery in your PlayStation 5 controller. The biggest thing is knowing the correct battery before you go ahead and replace it. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, go ahead and leave a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.